Day 3 at the CloudStack Collaboration Conference 2024. We're here with Grégoire and Joffrey from DIMSI. DIMSI is a long-term supporter for the project and for the conference. So let's say a warm welcome to DIMSI. Can you let us know why are you here again and what have you just presented at the CloudStack Collaboration Conference?
Hi everybody, I'm Joffrey Luangsaysana, a cloud expert at DIMSI. And it's a pleasure to be here with the CloudStack community. This year we're having two talks about Backroll and the latest improvement on the backup solution for KVM.
Could you tell us a few words about the Backroll, what exactly it is, how it works, and why you decided to work on that?
So,
let's go and I will.
Yeah, sure. So, Backroll is a KVM backup solution. Easy to install, easy to use, give you a simple web UI, and there you can manage your backup. And there's also a great integration with CloudStack coming soon with the plugin.
Yes, and for the community and for DIMSI, Backroll is part of our strategy to help customers to move from other hypervisor to a fully open source approach. So Backroll was the missing part. And that's why we are very happy to be able to introduce the first 1.0 version.
Backup is actually an issue with the project. We all know it, and it's very important that we now can offer something for the community. So is there a way in which people interested can actually test the Backroll?
Sure. The project is available on GitHub, so you can search for GitHub Backroll. And there you have the documentation for installation, and it's a quick, easy setup. And I will do a workshop about it in a few minutes.
In 10 minutes.
In 10 minutes, yeah.
So we need to be really fast with that interview. As a vendor, why did you choose CloudStack as a technology with which you would like to work, and what makes you actually choose open source technology?
We chose CloudStack a few years ago now. First, because it's reliable. It's hypervisor. You can choose a very wide range of hypervisors, so it was really something we needed at that time. And there is a very strong community. This year we met a lot of new people, and there is a strong community base. So CloudStack is really one of our best choice, I guess, in our life of the product.
Obviously, the community is also growing. So this year we are quite happy to say that we have at least like 30% new people to the conference, and the community is going really well. What do you think is attracting new people to CloudStack?
I think first it's reliable. I already said it, but it's really a reliable cloud orchestration solution. And it's easy to deploy. You can find other solutions on the market, but they are very difficult and time-consuming. CloudStack is a straightforward process, and now I think with the support of main hypervisor, it's really easy to deploy your cloud infrastructure with Apache CloudStack.
Yeah, and I would add it's been in the market for years, and so it's a proven technology with a lot of customers already.
Yes, with thousands of hosts everywhere, millions of VMs, so you can trust on this technology.
Many companies and vendors are initially a bit reluctant when it comes to contributing to open source solutions, and they don't actually realize what are the benefits. So as a vendor, do you think that having open source solution in your technology stack and in your service offering can help you monetize on top of it and get some benefits?
Well, yesterday we had a very interesting talk with few people of the community. I think at DIMSI, first thing is to be able to have external contribution. So it's not a direct monetization process, but it's a way to reduce cost of implementation. And then when you have a strong community like we have with CloudStack, it's very easy to find people to test your product on other infrastructure, which is really cost and time consuming when you are a vendor. So on this matter, I think it's a very well known and processed now to build application. Maybe Joffrey, you have other idea, but
And I think we believe in open source technology and the fact that we can contribute to a technology that can be used widely.
That's very good. So without keeping you any longer, because we know you have the talk, I just want to wish best of luck to the Backroll and to DIMSI and ask what are your future plans in terms of Backroll? Do you plan any further enhancements on it?
Yes, sure. For Backroll roadmap, we have a lot of improvements in terms of features. So we're planning to add several features such as restore to a specific path, the file level restore, and we also plan to improve the plugin. So there was a lot of exchange with the community today and yesterday about it, and a lot of requests were about the billing aspects and the integration with cloud usage, which is not currently made.
Shall we expect it upstream in the next release, maybe?
I think so.
Yeah, as the pull request is in progress, and
We'll keep inform the community, of course, in the user list.
Great. Thank you very much for being
Thank you.
here at the conference, and we highly appreciate your contribution and the support for the project and for the event.
And thank you for this very well organization once again.
Welcome.
Thank you, Ivet.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Ivet.